हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो सीन ऐसा है कि आज मैं दोस्त के घर पर जाने वाला हूँ दोपहर को, फिर से रिकॉर्ड करना है वीडियो। यहाँ पर कर नहीं सकता क्योंकि बहुत आवाज़ आता है, बहुत ज़्यादा। मैं फेस कैम वीडियोस बना ही नहीं सकता। उससे मुझे याद आया कल, सो माई डैड जस्ट केम अप रनिंग एंड आई वॉज जस्ट वंडरिंग कि इतने फास्ट कौन आ रहा है ऊपर चलते चलते। दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड। तो सीन ऐसा हो गया कि कल मेरे दोस्त ने, यू नो करण, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग करण, 2-3 ब्लॉग्स में था मेरे वो। So he sent me a photo which is I think 6 years old. 6 years old photo, school time का photo उसने भेजा है। So the moment I saw that picture, I had this thought in my mind कि okay, I see content over here, but not just any content, something that will, you know, actually hit you in that sweet spot, that nostalgia spot. It will hit you right over there. So I decided to, you know, collect these bunch of pictures, school time, junior college time, and not many, few pictures, and I will tell you the story behind that. And I think most of you guys will be able to relate to it because it's actually relatable. So now the time is, I think it's 10:10. So I'll see you guys again at around 2-2:30. लंच के बाद ही दोस्त के घर पर जाऊँगा कि वहाँ पर जाके फिर से भूख लगती है, फिर से उसको पूछना पड़ता है कि भाई कुछ खाने को है क्या, कुछ खाने को है क्या। You guys can relate to that. जब भी दोस्त के घर पर जाते हैं, वो एक हमेशा वो भूख, नहीं भी भूख रहेगी ना, फिर भी भूख लग जाती है आपको, भले आप खा के आए हो फिर भी भूख लगती है आपको। So to avoid that, I'm gonna have my lunch and then go to his place. So see you guys again at around, I think 2-2:30. Yes, 2-2:30 it is. Oh. So hello again. It's I think it's 2:15 now, 2:15ish. और निकलने का टाइम आ गया है। If you notice one thing, मैंने कुछ जुगाड़ बिठाया। Actually I don't have the shotgun mic. I have the long wired mic और उसका वायर बहुत ही लंबा है। I cannot walk around with that. तो मैंने ये कर दिया। I know it's a little messy, but ठीक है यार, जुगाड़। So I'm here, I'm at Karan's place, I'm in the lift. If you remember this elevator, यहाँ पे छीका था कोई, तो वही बंदा छीका था।
Password.
Your love life is a joke.
Hey, my come.
What's up?
What's up?
So the time is here जिसके लिए आप सब रुके थे। पता नहीं रुके थे या नहीं रुके थे, मैं तो ज़रूर रुका था। I went down, you know, I checked my Google photos, my friends Google photos, और मुझे इतने पुराने फ़ोटोज़ मिले ना, ऐसे ऐसे फ़ोटोज़ मिले कि it makes me realize how time flies by so fast and also how dumb we were back then. I was a dumbass. I think most of the people were dumbasses back then. ना teenage 14-13 का जो एज है ना। तो I'm gonna see all the images through this phone. आपके स्क्रीन पर दिख जाएगा कि मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल। This video I'm only gonna show you my school pictures. Believe me, some of them are so dumb and some of them I cannot express. You'll have to watch it for yourself. You'll have to see it for yourself. I think we should start with the oldest one that I could find. Okay, so if you're watching and you know me, you're a friend of mine, you must be knowing that I was a really chubby and a healthy kid when I was young. So I'll show you one photo from there. So that's me on the left side, if you didn't figure that out. And on the right side is Akhilesh. He's Dhole. He's basically my best friend. And we've known each other since 5th standard. And this is a 6th grade photo, I think. 6th standard ka photo hai. We Balewadi Stadium. So we were at Balewadi Stadium. Some football match was going on and we got free passes. So udhar ka hai ye. I just look at my face. Look at that face. Damn. Like look at both of us. We're just like boiled up potatoes, nothing else. Anyway, let's move on to the next picture. Have you ever seen a badass gangster in your street or in any movie? Do you want to witness a real one? Like not in a movie, a real life gangster? There you go. Boom. Okay, there's an explanation to this. Believe me, there's an explanation to this.
इंडिया के बड़े बड़े भाई लोग हैं ना, अब उनको छोटा छतरी बुलाते हैं, छोटा.
So basically, there was this classmate of mine. He was an artist. He used to draw sketches. He used to do tattoos using only pens. Gel pens वगैरह use करके tattoos बनाता था वो. तो you can see the middle finger that I'm showing. So that's the tattoo that he made for me, and this is after school. We had classes actually. We had tuitions after school. So after the tuition, we had an adda over there. After tuition classes, we used to hang out over there. तो ये अड्डे का image है. वहाँ पे मैं I'm having a hard time remembering why did I give this pose. Boom. Okay, so this is just a very chill picture of mine. I think this is 10th standard, my last year in school. And yes, I wasn't really a good football player actually, but I used to play. सब खेलते थे. That's my PT school banian by the way, St. Vincent's. That's a PT banian. We had a shorts as well, लेकिन मैं shorts कभी कभी नहीं पहनता था, ऐसे ही फुल पैंट में खेलता था. पता नहीं वो क्या है ना, सामने एंस थी ना, तो चड्डी में उनके सामने अगर कभी ताका जाकी हो गई तो अच्छा नहीं लगता था. और ये आफ्टर स्कूल का ही फोटो है, बिकॉज आई एम वेयरिंग माई बैग. तो फुल पैंट में ही मैं बनियन में स्कूल के बाहर जाता था. थोड़ा वो तशड़ ना, मेरा रॉनी कैसा है, देखो मेरी बॉडी वीडी देख. It happens. Saint Anne सामने था and hormones. Let's move on to the other one. Okay, so I have a farewell picture. देखो एक्सप्लेनेशन दूंगा मैं, पहले मुझे खुद को फिगर आउट करने दो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है.
So you can see the one guy is watching me. Okay, one is tapping my buttocks to check the velocity of the butt.
I was a mad kid. Please do not judge. I was a stupid ass bugger in school, and especially 9th and 10th. Believe me, something happened to me. I blew out of proportion. Okay, so the next there are two photos now remaining. So the one is pre and one is post. So basically, okay, so it's pretty easy to understand, but I'll give you the background of this. Karan's birthday was that day, and we were, I think, in 10th grade only, or 10th vacations were going on, and we some joke we had cracked. You can see this chubby dude in the right hand side corner. That's Abhishek Gangurde. Just look at his face. Basically my old group only, and half of them are still they are still in touch. So it was just an incident. Somebody cracked some random joke, I don't know, and we lost it. We completely lost it. We were, and here is the after photo. किधर है, मिल गया. You know, I have to give you more. I have to come up with a better explanation for this one, but. See, fuck. So basically, after that evening, that dinner thing, whatever happened, we went for a walk. At 1 a.m. we went for a walk, and we walked for around, I think, 2 to 3 kilometers just to have Faluda, I think. Yes, Faluda wo milta hai raste pe, very famous spot. So 2 to 3 kilometers we traveled on foot, and then we returned to his place. And we were tired, okay, we were exhausted. We did not care how we slept, in what direction we slept, but
I mean, see, chalta hai. This is still back in 10th vacation, so it's okay.
all of us are straight in this photo, and बेसिकली वो नींद में थे यार. वो कडल करते करते, वो स्पूनिंग करते करते हो गया वो. लेट इट बी नाइस. में डीप में क्यों जाना है. So anyway, that's it for today's video. So anyway guys, if you guys liked the video, if you guys enjoyed it and you had a nice time watching my video, you know what to do. वीडियो बनाते बनाते थोड़ा सा सेंटी हो गया मैं, थोड़ा सा. टाइम फ्लाइज बाय रियली फास्ट, एंड I don't know, it's just a little bit sad that it's that quick and most of us don't realize it. We only realize it once it's gone and once it's over. Feels a bit sad. हेलो हाँ कैसे है क्या कर रहा